Hi there folks, this is Rocket Ross from Sublime Science talking to you from Stockeld Park, and I'm here to tell you guys about the cool things we're doing here in February half term. From the 15th to the 23rd of February we're doing 3 science shows a day here to show you some cool stuff. We're going to do things that fly, things that scream, things that fizz, things that explode,
no Ross.
things that smoke. And maybe some slimy surprises. So hopefully we'll see you at Stockeld Park in the February half term. Tickets are going fast, so get yours at stockeldpark.co.uk. Thank you very much.